I often get a question about how to buy a good contract life cycle software or CLM. Increasingly, CLMs are critical to running a legal department, they're critical to have impact on your business, and they're especially critical during crisis and when we have many pressures to do a whole lot more with a whole lot less. Because contract lifecycle management solution really helps from inception of your contracts to negotiation of your contracts to management of your contracts. So a very critical role for every business to make this process much more straightforward and a whole lot more streamlined. So where do you start? You need to understand your legal department, how the legal advice is shared, and what are the needs of your business. So for example, do you need to have a common repository where all lawyers and perhaps even business stakeholders have access to? Is a search capability critical to help you get relevant results quickly? Do you need a way to organize all your contracts so that important relevant information is given to you when it's needed? Is automation something that is critical to your business? Is self-service something that you would like to provide to your business partners? All of those questions are important to figure out the answers to, and really prioritize and figure out what would help you to propel your business forward. Once you go through the exercise of understanding yourself, it is also very helpful to get 3 to 5 quotes. By being able to have 3 to 5 quotes, you will be able to understand the pricing and the range that you will have to spend. You will also understand the benefits and the features that are available, and you'll have an opportunity to have intelligent discussions about the specific problem you have and the solution that solves it. And in asking specific questions and troubleshooting specific problems, you will be able to make a good decision that is right for your organization. Finally, what I recommend is to have a trial period, because nothing like test driving a solution. You very quickly will have an opportunity to figure out whether this is a solution that will be helpful to your department, to your client, whether it will really propel you forward.